I am standing beside the helm of the incredible Starcraft SLS 3-R. This is a package I am itching to show you, and with 200 Suzuki horses on the Transom, this is going to be fun. For Mydealers.ca, this is Rick Lazell. Check out the exterior aesthetics of this absolute stunner of a package. Extensive use of black anodized rails here, and you notice how that look really carries from the stern of the boat all the way forward and wraps around the bow section. We've got rails that are actually particularly angled here. It's beautiful. There's black around the gunnel trim, and look at the black paint on the tubes. And all of that exterior color and commitment makes for an incredibly attractive package. The forward seating section on your SLS 3, we've got room for 2 adults here on both sides. You notice forward-facing back loungers here, love that. Nice high backrests up here, dual cup holders and charging points on both sides. Tons of storage underneath, very, very nicely designed. There's a lot to talk about in the raised fiberglass helm station. I love the addition of this little phone holder for my cell. Check out the wet sound system. This absolutely rocks. We've got a combination analog digital tack up here, fuel gauge, trim gauge, speedometer up here, our toggle switches nested where they should be. Really, really nice setup. Here's a feature that any owner is going to appreciate, and I know I would love. This is a power bimini. And not just every power bimini, this is an upgraded package with oval-shaped bars, an upgraded motor that runs the bimini. It goes down faster and deploys up faster, and a great benefit that you're able to run this with the bimini in the up position, a little bit faster speeds. Really great boater experiences. The entire cockpit of this package is truly very well laid out and a family-first approach. Everybody's going to appreciate this pop-up enclosure when it's time to get out of some wet swimming gear at the end of the day. And your co-captain will certainly love this incredible chair with fold-down armrests. You've also got a storage compartment here, another cup holder here, and yes, another charging point. Really nicely designed. The stern seating section of this package just continues to offer up so many great opportunities for your family and friends. Really nice seating here. The rear facing backrest, if you're watching the kids out on a sandbar or on a tube, there's lots of storage underneath here. You'll appreciate the upgraded dinette table, more solutions with beverage holders and charging points. Just a great area to spend your time on the water. The stern of this stunning package is not to be missed as well. I noted the dealer actually added on the optional upgraded remote control for the stereo. We've got rear-facing speakers back here. Nice big 4-step reboarding ladder, extra wide for big fellas like me. Not 1, but 2 access doors onto the transom of the boat. Love that. And you note the continuation of the use of that black fencing as they pull that up into this area, even onto the ski pole bar. Really, really nicely done. Here's Rick's picks on the Starcraft SL3R. Number 1, the new updated power bimini, game changer. Number 2, the beautiful combination of this triple tube design and that Suzuki 200. Every single RPM range, perfect combination. Number 3, and my absolute favorite, is the stunning exterior, the combination of colors in the fence and the beautiful black anodized rails. Absolutely awesome. Bringing together the Starcraft SL3R with that beautiful 200 Suzuki. Great combination of performance, luxurious feel. I can tell you from the Helm station, this boat feels so spacious. This is a great combination. For Mydealers.ca, this is Rick Lazell.